Hi my love, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're an old one, thank you for sticking with me. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do like this video and share this video to someone that you think this video will be of help. So today's video is Halloween. So guys, I'm super excited when it comes to costume. I love costume a lot, and in this year we'll be creating two look for you guys. So this video will be like different costume idea that I have in mind. So after this whole talk, I'll be posting different costume idea that I have in mind to make for you guys, and you let me know which one that you think that we are going to recreate in the comment section, and let me know which one you want us to recreate that we did not recreate, and I promise to recreate it next year because this video is coming short because I should have posted this video earlier on in order to inspire someone that want to, recreate the look. But I'm so sorry about that. But from next year, we're going to create different beautiful look for you guys that will inspire you to have something to recreate, if that makes sense. I know it did. Yes, guys. So without further ado, this boo stuff that I'm wearing, this boo dress, we really made it in this channel. And if you want to create something of this nature, the link will be displayed after this video. So I'm happy that I had to create a costume for you guys because I'm a big fan of costume. And let me know on the comment section if you're a big fan of costume because I love costume, and I and my sister do costume outfits every year, and I don't post it. But thanks for joining this family because I'm going to be sharing it with you guys and not just with my sisters because you guys are my family. Yes, so that's just it, guys. And if you already have your costume, please state on the comment section what you create, or you can even show the picture of what you create or state what you create. And if any of this look that was inspired to create for you guys was one of your costume this year, please just say yes. It will go a long way, guys. So without further ado, thanks for watching this video. Thank you for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video because I really enjoy talking to you guys and I enjoy making videos for you guys. And in a coming up video will be the series, or it will be a vlog on how we create this year Halloween costume for you guys. Stick with me because it is quite interesting. I love the Halloween look and I love how it turned out. And I know you're going to love it, guys. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.